Hello dear viewers, welcome to my vlog, and we are here now at E-Park of Tagum City. This E-Park is a 25 hectare of land where you can rest, relax, and do recreational activities. The park, which has a very serene atmosphere, houses some government offices of Tagum City. The place promotes awareness to the youth on how to protect and taking care of the environment. Here, you will find a true beauty of nature, very clean and green, the sounds of different species of birds in the background, a fresh air to breathe, different and nice growing trees, and the experience that life is not all about gadgets, internet, shopping, and nightlife. Just nature as it should be. The park is great for family and friends bonding, even couples and for those who seek and embrace nature living. It offers a relaxing view, very nice surroundings, quiet ambience, and peaceful ways that are truly different from your daily life in the city. It is a perfect weekend getaway for you to enjoy an unusual day. Everything around just seems so relaxed.
What? You can carry that? Oh, sige, please.
This is an unusual day for us because we are celebrating the 5th birthday of my niece. So we have puto bumbong, pastil, egg, pizza, and iced coffee as our snacks. We set aside some time to relax in the midst of our busy work schedules and countless priorities. Here, you can truly reflect deeply and find peace of mind, surrounded by wide open spaces, fresh air, and joyful faces. For me, this is one of those moments that truly lighten my heart. With all the worries and problems I've been carrying, it all felt like it disappeared, as if by magic.
Okay, gunagulang kayo ta. Ay, nanaya. Tara na kayo, matutag ko. Matutag mo, yan ito ta. Jalibig na mo. Dili ka, dili ko. Ati, basi madiritso ta darat ya, so bagong yung tikat eh. Wala na. Lipot sa ta direte oh. Ina ako mag-drive. Ibi, wala na ako sa destination din. Nabunog na ko ni Ubi.
It really hurt my feet.
Away ba? Why? Away ba? Why? Away ba? Why?
My
Ako drive be. Ako drive be. Ikaw gulit yan na yun. Kaya bukat siya na yun. Dadong kita na yun. Ano ko ba lumubay? Ako drive be. Bike mo. Ako ba? Manaw ko. Sanaya. Ganita sa. Si nanay ni Muyo. Otro mo na ko karon.
I'm very scared. I'm gonna close my eyes.
Hindi ko pa lumubay. Ako ba? Hindi ko kaya na. Ako. Kaso mo, nabitas. Ano yung kag-nervyos? Ako ba? Ano yung nervyos? Sabi niya mga kanila. Mga pep. Ayaw na din. Mahayang ta. Yung pingsit din ba nakabidyo? Oh my God. Oh my God. Ini raw dia. Baik hati. Hindi ko na ito ba? Okay, si Nanay B. Burag, pili na ako. Maabot lagi mo nagkuhan. Relax lang ha, relax. Sana naman nagligawan. Ariya, wala nang sinaaron.
Happy birthday lang ka!
Life can be tough, but giving up is never the answer. Don't give up isn't just a saying, it's a reminder to face the challenges, endure the tough times, and come out stronger on the other side. Do not be upset if things are not going your way. Just try your best to make the most out of every day. And someday, you will be filled with happiness simply because you did not give up. Keep going. This is the right place where you can reflect deeply and sort things out in your life. Perfect for self-healing and mental refreshing.
Water break daw, water break. Uy, supo, makikagnaw. Diba? What? Ano sa panangkot mo? Siya. Ha? Anak. Ha? Ay, bukan. Ito pa, gunita ba? Aya, gunita na aya, be. Aya. Gunit. Oh, pula kay kagnaw mo. Ano be? Wow. Kamiya diri ang tambay. Asa na lang ang chair? Ay, kanina.
Ang lukap.
Kanina ulo.
Uy, ang lukap. Uy, masay maputol pa.
May gunita sa ubos. Ewa. Ito na sa hindi mo na ito. Ikaw ulit. Nahiya lang ha, sumahulog ha. Ito na, ay, ganda.
Hindi na mabalik si Tita kaya masaya mahadlok.
Bawal ang bata diri, bawal ang bata. Dapat tanggalin yung bata diri.
Ginagawa mo.
Naya. butod.
Cry day na yan, cry day ay.
Oy. Na-touch ka?
The hat touch my eye.
Oh, abi na ko na-touch imong heart.
What happened to your eyes?
Because you have cake. Are you happy that you have a cake? Oh, you thought that you don't have birthday cake? Oh, we thought that you don't want cake. And then you found out that you have cake? Oh. Banto din, iingon siya nga di siya nag-cake eh. Basi nagtuo siya, wala siya cake. Una na lang niya na, I don't want cake eh. Wala mangyapon din ko cake. No, oy. Because it's your birthday. Oh, na-touch you. Apil po din mo na naghilok. Karon para mag-eat daw. Dito ka mag-blow og candle.
And a candle.
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 Ginawa ko sa candle. Look! Oh, pusok yung hangin. Dali na, be. Agto na, dali. Nahadlok. Pusok yung hangin. Pati di excited siya mag-wash og hands. Kay pislit day sa cake.
Muna nga. Rotasyon ba ka na? Sa harap na niyo muna.
Hi! Are you happy?
Aww. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. How old are you? Oh.
Wala, gimamisikan kami. Ito na, kandil. Dali ka, dali ka, dali ka.
Blow na, blow. Yan, blow. 1, 2. Imaw man eh. 1, 2, 3. Blow, blow ta. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Blow. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Blow. 1, 2, 3. Blow. 1.
Happy birthday! Yay!
1, 2, 3.
Blow na, blow na.
It's two guys.
Sa ulang mo, no? Kasi ang dagon. Law-law eh. Ano yan?
Like, follow, and subscribe.